In this video, Denso highlights a major HDD pipeline protection project completed at Welspun coating facility in Anjar, Gujarat, India. What made this project unique was not simply the use of Denso Bore-Wrap, it was the way Welspun engineered a repeatable plant line application method for full-length protection over massive FBE-coated pipe. The project involved 914mm or 36-inch diameter pipe with a 19mm wall thickness. Each pipe length measured approximately 18.3 meters or 60 feet. The pipe had already received a dual-layer fusion-bonded epoxy system, also known as 2LFBE, which served as the primary corrosion protection layer. That coating needed to remain intact through plant handling, storage, transportation, field welding, and final horizontal directional drilling pullback. The challenge was clear: add a robust layer of mechanical protection over the completed FBE coating without damaging the corrosion barrier beneath it. Denso Bore-Wrap is often used for HDD protection at girth welds, bends, repairs, and other localized areas. But this project required something much larger: full-length plant application over large-diameter mainline pipe. The pipe was too large, too heavy, and too long for a conventional hand-wrapping approach to be efficient. A new process had to be developed. Welspun built the application around controlled mechanical pipe rotation. As each 60-foot pipe length turned steadily, a coordinated crew advanced the Denso Bore-Wrap in a continuous spiral pattern. This changed the installation from a labor-heavy field procedure into a controlled mainline plant operation. The process managed several key variables at once: rotation, hydration, overlap, compression, venting, cure control, and production flow. A single lead applicator maintained a uniform 50% spiral overlap, while other team members controlled hydration, staged material, compressed the wrap, perforated the poly wrap, and managed pipe movement throughout the application. Two operators controlled hydration by misting both the incoming substrate and the unrolling bore wrap to activate the moisture-cured resin. Material feed operators staged and opened the foil pouches, supplying active rolls as the pipe advanced. The lead applicator guided the wrap onto the rotating pipe, maintaining alignment and overlap consistency. Behind the lead applicator, the compression team applied sacrificial poly wrap under tension, helping force the active resin through the fiberglass weave. Finally, the venting and outfeed team perforated the poly wrap to allow carbon dioxide, excess resin, and water to escape cleanly while maintaining uninterrupted pipe rotation. The project also delivered important inspection and quality control lessons. Because bore wrap is a fiber-reinforced sacrificial outer wrap, the inspection approach needed to reflect the material's actual function as a mechanical protection system. Hardness testing was refined using smaller foot Shore D gauges, resin-rich measurement locations, and multi-point averaging. The project team also determined that non-destructive impact and indentation checks were more appropriate than destructive pull-off testing, which could sever the continuous glass fibers that contribute to hoop strength. Pipe end treatment was also reviewed against the future field welding sequence. A single-layer factory termination helped reduce the risk of excessive buildup once the girth weld coating and final overwrap were applied. The Anjar project showed that successful HDD coating protection is not only a material selection decision, it depends on the integration of surface preparation, application method, crew sequencing, pipe end geometry, inspection criteria, storage planning, and installation-specific mechanical demands. By combining Denso Bore-Wrap with a controlled plant line application method, Welspun demonstrated that a traditionally hand-applied composite protection system could be engineered into a repeatable process for full-length, large-diameter mainline pipe. Denso Bore-Wrap is an abrasion-resistant outer wrap designed to protect anti-corrosion coatings during difficult terrain and trenchless installation methods such as HDD, directional drilling, and boring. It creates a sacrificial outer laminate that helps protect approved field joint and mainline coatings, including epoxies, shrink sleeves, 3LPE, 3LPP, 2LFBE, and FBE. For pipeline owners, coating applicators, and corrosion professionals, the Welspun project represents a new benchmark in plant-applied HDD protection. To learn more about Denso Bore-Wrap and Denso's pipeline protection systems, visit densona.com.